Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can enable or disable the number notifications on any app. See here, there are two apps currently on my home screen of this Android mobile, and to my surprise, even though the notifications were turned off for Instagram, even though it is showing notification number. Now I'll tell you how you can disable this. First of all, let me show you the notifications are disabled for this. I'll be click on information symbol here. See here, the notifications were turned off. Even though they are turned off, it is showing the number. It means I received some sort of notification, that may be notification like calls, messages, or whatever it may be. It is just showing the number 1 2 3 4 5 like this. Okay, how you can disable this? Yeah, first of all, these notification numbers are called app icon badges. Click on your Android phone settings, then go to notifications here. Under notifications, scroll down until you see something like app icon badges. Tap on this and click on no badge, and we'll see the result. See, this was gone. Once you read this will also go off. Means in future you won't receive such number notifications on top of it. Simple. If you don't find here, you can just search like badges, simply badges, badges. Sorry. And you can click on this and you can turn off this. You can even keep dots or numbered, whatever it may be. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.